As of my last update in September 2021, mesothelioma is a rare and aggressive form of cancer that primarily affects the lining of the lungs, but it can also occur in other areas, such as the abdomen and heart. It is primarily caused by exposure to asbestos, a mineral that was commonly used in construction and industrial applications until its health risks became widely known. A mesothelioma law firm is a specialized legal practice that focuses on representing individuals and families who have been affected by mesothelioma and other asbestos-related diseases. These firms have attorneys who are experienced in handling asbestos-related cases and have in-depth knowledge of the medical and legal complexities involved. Key functions and services provided by a mesothelioma law firm include 1. Legal consultation. Mesothelioma law firms offer free initial consultations to individuals and their families who have been diagnosed with mesothelioma or other asbestos-related illnesses. During the consultation, an attorney will review the individual's case, gather information about asbestos exposure history, and discuss potential legal options. 2. Case evaluation. Experienced attorneys at these firms assess the individual's exposure history and medical records to determine the strength of the case and the likelihood of obtaining compensation. 3. Filing lawsuits. Mesothelioma law firms are skilled in filing personal injury or wrongful death lawsuits on behalf of affected individuals against the responsible parties, such as asbestos manufacturers, employers, or other entities liable for asbestos exposure. 4. Settlement negotiations. These firms work to negotiate fair settlements with defendants or their insurance companies to ensure victims receive appropriate compensation for medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages. 5. Trial representation. In cases where a fair settlement cannot be reached, mesothelioma law firms have trial experience and are prepared to represent their clients in court to seek a favorable judgment. 6. Trust fund claims. Many companies that were once involved in asbestos production have set up trust funds to compensate victims. Mesothelioma law firms are knowledgeable about these trust funds and can help victims navigate the claims process. It's important to note that laws and regulations related to asbestos exposure and mesothelioma litigation may vary by country or state. Therefore, it's crucial for affected individuals and their families to seek legal advice from experienced mesothelioma law firms that are familiar with the specific laws in their jurisdiction. As the situation might have evolved since my last update, I recommend researching specific mesothelioma law firms or consulting legal resources for the most current information. Thanks for watching my videos.